The police say they are taking seriously the physical assault of a nurse by a St. Andrew businessman. Now, the incident, which has gone viral, happened along the Mount Friendship Road in St. Andrew this week. Shamela Pullen has the details.
In the video, which has been making the rounds on social media, the accused could be seen stepping on the nurse's head and physically assaulting her while she screams, "Wemi do you?" The man, who was not wearing a shirt, also had a firearm in his hand. According to reports from the Stony Hill police, the incident happened about 7:15 along Mount Friendship Road on Tuesday. The police say the man was driving a Mercedes-Benz motor car ahead of the nurse's Toyota Vitz motor car. The Benz was swerving, which caused the woman to make attempts to drive around it. Patricia Mary is a family friend and a justice of the peace.
He then proceeded to block the road on her when she tried to go around. Started to beat up her car, came out of the car, spat in her face. Then she had some water, she threw it at him. Then he pulled her from the car. And then it went sour.
Chief Executive Officer at the University of the West Indies, Fitzgerald Mitchell, confirmed that the nurse is an employee at the hospital where she saw treatment after the incident.
The nurse was treated here, had all our scans done, and the team looked after her, and she was discharged, I believe, on Wednesday. I actually went and visited her in the emergency room, spoke with her and her husband. We managed to have helped her with the reporting to the police.
The incident has sparked outrage from the nursing profession. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says he's alarmed.
This act is heinous and should never ever take place. Certainly not to a healthcare worker, indeed not to any Jamaican. I strongly condemn it, and the police have been brought into the matter.
Being a healthcare worker aside, the NAJ president says no woman should be treated in this manner.
The Nurses Association of Jamaica condemns the recent acts of violence displayed by a member of the public towards a nurse on Tuesday, May 13, 2025. As a member of the Violence Prevention Alliance, this association continues to advocate through our Orange Day events, raising the awareness of the matter of ending violence against women and children in our society. We urge our members to remain resolute and practice safety precautions at all times.
The woman was thrown, beaten, her face stepped in. And if there was not a video, nobody would have known this.
Meanwhile, the police confirmed that the man is in custody as their investigations continue. The Firearm Licensing Authority says it has also launched an investigation into the incident and the necessary actions under the law will be taken. The FLA is also reminding licensed firearm holders that brandishing or using a firearm to intimidate or assault a person is a criminal offense. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.